Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, and I'm so glad to have you back here on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time on my channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to receive more lessons and videos I'll be dropping. Yeah, so today we're going to be looking at something very, very important, and this is the dominant seven. And I'm going to be treating it in two ways. Going to be treating it how you can use it on your one and how you can use it on your five for worship songs. You understand? And this is actually to spice up your play as a piano player. And we're doing this on almost all the keys. Yeah, we'll be trying it on several keys. So let's get started. First thing you should know is the why what is actually the dominant, or how will I even put it? Let me see. What's the dominant seven in the chord? So you have C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, right? Your dominant 7 has the formula of 1, 3, 5, and flat 7. So, what is your 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So, we have the flat 7, which is this. So, you have 1, 3, 5, flat 7. This is your dominant 7 of this C, right? So, a major seventh is definitely 1, 3, 5, 7, right? Difference between a major seventh and a dominant 7 is the flattening of this 7 to this. So at least try to remember and try to know that this is, so in every key now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? On C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, on D, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? On E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. On E, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, and C. So that's it on for the dominant 7 of C and other keys. So now let's look at how we can put this in a song. The first thing you should know for this, I will give you instances of songs that you hear these progressions a lot. You hear them in songs like Nathan Ebasi, Mercy Chinwo. Like, these are Nigerian musicians, yeah, and Don't Sing, and a lot of musicians that use this kind of progression. And the essence of the dominant 7 most times in this case study is to resolve to something. So if you are on your C dominant 7, is to resolve you to your, or to take you to your 4, right? So if you are on your like I said we are going to look at it on 1 and 5. So if you're on your 5 dominant 7, is to take you to your 1, so 5 to 1, 1 to 4. You understand? So you have, let's do this song. If I have 10,000 tongues, it still won't be enough. You understand? So you have 1, then flat 7. So instead of playing you done so much for me, you are playing 3. No. You have done so much for me. Yeah, most times you hear SMG do this voicing. You can see it. So your 1, like I said, is to take you. So let's look at this on maybe A flat. Yeah, so great is thy faithfulness, oh Lord, my Father. You can see it now. So I did major seventh, dominant seven. So you can see how when I'm taking it to my phone now, I just had to be on this. You understand? So to your phone now. You can see dominant seventh again. Sorry, I can't sing this song. Sorry. So this is on the key of A flat, and we are treating this as a 1. So now let's come back to C and look at it on the 5. So now how do we look at it on the 5 now? Same formula. Treat your 5 as your 1 now, and pick out the dominant 7 of your 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. What's the dominant 7 of your 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flat 7. You understand? So now you can even see that now if you are treating this dominant 7 as your 5, or you are treating your 5 now as your dominant 7, it's taking you back to your 4. So it's looking like this. Let's look at this as 1 now. 1. Now let's look at this as 5 now. Same thing takes you back to your 1. So this is as 5 taking us to 1, and this also as 1 taking us to 4. So I'm playing it on G now. Bring it back to C. You can see that it's still coming back to this. So it has this relation of this kind of circle of 4 thing where you have this taking you to this taking you to this taking you to this when it comes to dominant the dominant 7. So now you have songs like you can see you remain the same. So you can see that now I have this chord as the dominant 7th on your 5. So you can even have chords like, but you have this. So most times in most of our hymns, SS and S, you have this kind of progressions where you have to use your dominant chords, dominant 7 chords in either your 1 or in either your 4. In fact, even in your 5. Even in your 4. I'm talking about 1 and 5 now. So even in your 4, so you can have. So now let's move to another key and let's try this. So let's move to F sharp now. So there's this Mercy Chinwo song, one old song like that. So I don't even know how to sing it. So let me play it. You can You can see it now. I'm using the dominant seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flat 7. So you can run it as an arpeggio kind of thing on your left hand. So what am I doing? Class it to your 1, to your 5. So back to your dominant 7. You can see your 1 dominant 7 taking you to your 4 now. You understand? So let's even look at this song. Most of you even know it. You can see your 1. You can see the dominant 7 now on 1. So the one I'm playing here is a diminished 7th, a diminished 7th here. So I did a lesson on diminished 7th, and I'll also drop the link on the description, because using your dominant 7 and diminished 7th together has this beautiful way of, like spicing up the music. Yes, creating a kind of atmosphere. So let me put a little bit of pipe organ here. So you can see it's 6 now. Then 1 dominant. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in earth as it is in heaven. You can see it. Thy kingdom come, thy So let me play this on the key of E flat, same thing. One thing with the dominant 7, it has this emotions it comes with. You understand? Like, that's why you notice that most of our S's and S have this use of dominant 7th and diminished 7th. So you have. You can see that using of pipe organ for, maybe you have an auxiliary player that can want to, you see the importance of dominant 7, how it comes in. You understand? So let me think of one Nathaniel Bassey song. Um, okay, so you have songs like you deserve the glory. So let me change it. Let me use F now. You deserve the glory and the honor. So you can see, I bless your holy name. I'm also doing dominant seven. So you are great, you're the miracle so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You can see the dominant seven. Great, you're the miracle so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You understand? So there are more ways to use the dominant seven, but this is the little way that I think for a beginner you can start up in your worship songs. How to put this in your song? See, dominant seven doesn't work everywhere. Yes. So if I'm playing songs like my heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. You can see that you cannot be stacking your dominant seven here. What is your dominant seven here doing? It's not necessary. You just need my love, my life. It all belongs to you. Belongs to you. So that's all for today's class. Thank you all for joining. If you have any question regarding dominant seven or anything you want me to break down, you can drop it in the comment section. See you all in my next video. God bless you. Cheers.